Good morning, students. Third standard science, unit 4, science in everyday life. Today we are going to learn about what is science and observe the science that works in the kitchen. Important keywords from these topics are observe. Observe means watching. Experiment. Experiment means design of work to test. Describe. Describe means to give details about something to someone. Pattern. Pattern means preparation. Students, do you know what is science? Science is the study of the natural world around us. Science can be observed from the time we wake up till we go to sleep and even while you are sleeping. For example, the brush and paste we use, the dress we wear, the shampoo, the powder, the oil we apply, the medicines, the vessels, furniture we use, everything is science. Students, is science important in our life? Yes, science is the main important in our life. We can't run our daily life without science. Computer, rocket or mobile phone are main important of science. Now you see in page number 103 about kitchen science. Now you see how the water boils. Now I take water in a bowl. What is the state of water? Yes, the water is in liquid form. Now I keep it on the stove and cover the bowl with a lid. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. Students, now what you see here? Yes, the water boils before the water is in liquid form. After heating, water changes into gas is called boiling. What is meant by boiling point? The boiling point of water in the temperature of which the liquid boil. This temperature water changes into gas. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. This is called science. Students, do you know what are the benefits of boiling water? Why do we drink boiling water? Yes, you see the benefits of boiling water. It destroys germs, improves digestion, prevents us from the infection of waterborne diseases. Students, now let us see how idlis are made. What are the ingredients we need to make idli? Yes, rice, black gram, fenugreek and salt. These steps involved in making idli? Yes. Wash the rice and black gram and soak it. Grind for 25 minutes using water. Grind smooth and fluffy batter, allowing it to ferment. Then open the lid and mix it. Steaming in idli cooker. Now the perfect idli is ready. What are the advantages of steaming? Easy cooking method. Steamed idli and idiyappams are easily digested. Steamed food retains vitamin C and E. Once more, we recall science in everyday life. Kitchen science for boiling water. Observe the picture A and B. The first picture shows boiling water and second picture shows boiling milk. Next, idli making. Advantages of steaming. Easy cooking method. Steamed food is easily digested. Steamed food retains vitamin C and E. So dear students, read the page number 102 to 104 2 times. Thank you students.